Welcome to BuyUcoin How to series. Today we will talk about how to trade in Classic Exchange. From your dashboard, go to Markets. Here you see Classic and OTC markets. Choose the cryptocurrency which you want to trade. You will be redirected to the market page where you see the trading chart, order history and the order book. Now enter the price at which you want to buy the Bitcoin. You can either enter the amount of Bitcoin or INR. Here we input the INR amount as 5,000 Indian rupees. Now click on Buy button. Click on Place Order button. Now you need to enter your 6-digit trading PIN. Click on Confirm. Your trading PIN is validated. Click on Place Order button. Your Buy Bitcoin order is successfully placed. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe BuyUcoin channel and check other how-to tutorials.